What's up, everybody? Just going to do a weekly review for all the main pairs for the week of 26 August to 31 August 2018. As always, regular disclaimer, we're here for educational purposes only. All trades do involve possible risk of losing money or possibly gaining money, so invest at your own risk. We're here, like I said, for educational purposes only. So and we got a Facebook page and all that if you already haven't done so. If you want to go there and like it and join our free basics group and all that, if you want for other support and all that, where we can kind of help each other out, you can go ahead and follow the link there. And I think there's links on our main website as well, on our main YouTube channel, so you can find all that easy as well. So now onto the charts. First one, ACAD. You could see basically our stochastics already got low. We got the crossover area. What I'm looking for now really is just a retesting right around this area before possibly moving back up. A-Chef didn't quite get the crossover. Once this updates, it probably will give us that. The stochastic already low and a small buy zone there, so same thing, just looking for a retest around that area before movement up to probably right around this 50% area. AJ, we did have a nice cross up. We got a small buy and a small sell zone. There's the bigger one right there, and then a bigger one up here for the sell zone. So we already had the stochastic nice and low and everything. So looking for more so buying opportunities on AJ. AN didn't quite get the crossover, so looking for some more continued movement downward first. Probably retest right around in that area. Possibly this one, since it is a lot bigger, retesting here really is what you want to look for more so, and then all the rest of the setups before it moves back up. AU finally got the crossover back up, but we also are hitting a little sell zone there as well, so we could possibly get it to retest back down around this area as well. There's a bigger one there, so we could actually have it retest there on AU, or if we get a nice break above this one, then we should be able to hit that one for AU. CAD Chef looks like it's getting ready to give us that crossover up, and it is a pretty little bit bigger of a buy zone there, so that's a lot nicer for that one. So probably look for a buying opportunity. An easier target would be right around one of these EMAs. If you want to ride it out a little bit longer, then you should be able to hit right under this sell zone here, probably like right around that area there. Should be a good target on that one. CAD Japan, we're already nice and high. It's creating a small sell zone and everything, but there's the bigger one right here, so I'd still look for it to possibly retest right in between these fib levels here before it actually reverses and comes down. We already got that high. Now we're just waiting for a better sell zone and then the crossover down to take it possibly down a little bit. Chef Japan, we are in a sell zone, but we got a nice distance between these EMAs and everything. This is nice and high, and it has been for a little bit, so I'd still wait on that one because we could possibly come up to this one before it's ready to reverse. So basically, remember, wait for the crossover of those EMAs to give you a clearer direction of the reversal, but it actually still looks like it's going to continue on upward, possibly to this sell zone here. EA, we had the high stochastics. It did cross down. Sell zone right here, just waiting for the crossover there. Most likely it'll come down a little bit, possibly retest there, then continue on down. Safer target would be one of these EMAs if you just want something safe, because I don't know if it's going to possibly hit all the way that low or not, but you should be able to get a safer target right around here to here area. So ECAD testing nicely right around the 200. Everything was high back here. Now we're just waiting for the crossover and all that. And like I said, could probably ride it also down to the 38.2 or 50 area as well for ECAD. eChef, it's kind of been consolidating for a little while in this zone and finally creating a small sell zone and everything, so probably best to wait on that one, to be honest. EG's one I don't really trade. I just kind of look at it to see which one's stronger as far as euro or pound for all the crosses for them. It is still steadily going up. It has a very small sell zone. The next one's way up there, so basically just kind of watch that one so you can kind of see which one's stronger as far as euro and pound for when you're trading other pairs with euro and pound in them. Euro Japan has come up nicely to this little sell zone, but we still got a nice even distance between the EMAs. All this has been high since way back here, so that's why if you would have just sold it right away there, you would have not been doing good. So you want to wait, like I said, for all the confirmations. It honestly looks like it may just keep going up a little bit, probably to this area right here before you possibly get some sort of a reversal. May not be that much of one. It may just come up here and then retest right around the 200, maybe just the 13, so be careful with that one. EN's starting to fall in a little bit of a sell zone right now. This is high, it's starting to cross down, so we could probably get a quick sell down to the 50 EMA and the 50 fib level on that one. EU already kind of looks like it retested right here near the 38.2 level and everything, but also kind of at a little bit of a resistance area as well, so we could have a move up to this area before it's actually ready to reverse, so watch that one. GA's been falling a little bit. It's right under the 50 EMA and everything, and we already had our set up here where it crossed, and we got the crossover arrow down, so we may get a little bit of a test right around that area before it continues on down. A safer target for this one would probably be right around this area to 61.8 area. Would be a lot safer of a target depending on what you want to do. GCAD, we already had the nice break here, had a few crossovers and all that, so most likely we're going to get some sort of movement down back into our buy zone. So you could wait for it to get down there or just sell it down to the buy zone if you'd like, and then wait for a clearer setup for a possible buy after that. G-Chef, we're already in a nice little buy zone. Next one's a good little ways down, so we do got this slowly getting ready to come up as well. So remember though, wait for the crossover before you do enter for clear direction, or you could just sell it until you do get the crossover back up to exit. There's a chance we could hit, let me see, I don't see anything too far back actually, so there's a chance that as long as it stays above this zone, then that's a good chance really for a buy on this one really. GJ, oh, I got my other account up, but yeah, you can see I already bought it a few times. It is looking like continued movement upwards. I'm looking really to hit around this area for GJ really, and looking for support basically right around the 50 right here for GJ. So GN looks like it's hitting support right around our buy zone here. So wait for a good buying opportunity. It did kind of pull down real strong, but that could just be for some sort of a stop hunt or something going on. It's a pretty big buy zone here, so it could pull down near that zero level as well, so just wait for all the setups for that, and then a good chance for a buy around this area, and then come back up around the 50 or 200 EMA. GU's been steadily going down a little bit, but is looking like it's ready possibly for a buy soon. We got this small buy zone here, so just be careful with that. We could get a retesting first around the 78.6 area and then come back up. We do got a lot of support right at that level as well, so there's a good chance it'll test it first before it's ready to come back up, so just watch that one. NCAD looks like it's getting ready to move down a little bit, possibly just some retesting right around this area here before it's ready to move up. NCHEF, it's also going down a little bit. See how we didn't quite get the crossover yet on this one, so I'd look for some more movement down, retest probably right around this area. You see how there's a lot of activity going on there, so that looks like a good support area. Possibly a pin near here, but if it doesn't break this area here and continues to make higher lows, then you know we're going to get some more movement up with that one really. NJ, it's been climbing nicely, but it's also testing right around the 250, so this one better to just wait for a clear direction on it. NU, we just finally got another crossover up. We had a cross down here and then cross up here, so we may get some resistance right around the 200 and then another cross down, and could probably get it down, exit right around the 50 or 61.8 level after getting some resistance right here. So UCAD, it's another one I use to just kind of reference if the dollar Canada is stronger. It's looking like we have some support right around this level, so most likely we'll get it to move back up at least to this area right here, which would mean that the dollar would get a little stronger and Canada would get a little bit weaker. UCHEF, looks like some good support and everything. It's trading just under the 800, but that could just be to trick people into selling, because you can see we are in a pretty big buy zone here. So you can see it went way back all the way till the end of May time for this one, so that one's pretty good. So look for, basically just wait for the final crossover up, and then you could ride it probably at least to one of these EMAs, possibly on this 23.6 level, be a safer exit just in case it doesn't quite touch that, if you just wanted to be safer for your exit. UJ, looks like it tested right on that 13 real nice. We got this kind of high right now, but it is still moving up. We had the crossover there, and like I said, this is such a small sell zone, I wouldn't really give it that much weight. We'll probably at least get some movement right up to this sell zone here for UJ. So and that's all the main 28 pairs, so I hope you guys enjoyed that, and like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated quicker on any new updates we have. And like I said, there's a video in there that shows you how to load all the indicators and join our free Facebook group if you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, thanks.